The Sturt Plateau Pipeline, or the SPP, it's APA's newest pipeline development in the Northern Territory. It connects the Tamboran Resources operated Shenandoah South pilot project to be constructed next year to APA's Amadeus gas pipeline. Now, the gas from this pipeline and from the upstream production is considered critical to the future energy security of the Northern Territory, manufacturers, households, industry. Well, approximately 88% of the electricity generated in the Northern Territory comes from gas-fired generation. So a project like the SPP, like the Sturt Plateau Pipeline, that will generate around 60% of that requirement. So 60% of the electricity production in the Northern Territory could come via this project. So we see it as being a critical enabler for industry, for households, and for manufacturing.
If we can get good, reliable and reasonably competitive gas in the Northern Territory, we have the ability to open up a manufacturing industry, and that's all about value add and building our own rather than just shipping everything overseas for someone else.
Well, for the SPP, we'll be investing over $65 million to see this project through to development. So that's important in terms of jobs. We'll be creating up to 150 jobs during the construction phase of the project. So it's a good start in terms of developing the Beetaloo, developing supply chains, developing procurement, and enabling the economic progression of projects in the Beetaloo Basin.
The bigger prize, though, in my view, is it's happening in the regions, and it's a big enabler to regional development. The area that the Beetaloo is the powerhouse, if you like, of the agricultural industry, and where the majority of our beef is produced. But this adds a second layer of redundancy of economic development for that area. The infrastructure that's required for oil and gas will also support the agricultural industry and the services and supply and the overall lift for the region.
Well, by investing in projects like the Sturt Plateau Pipeline, we're looking to secure cheap and affordable energy supply that could power homes, manufacturing and industry in the NT for decades to come.